everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khushbu Ankit Gandhi and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hair care and everything related. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't up until now and do not forget to press the notification bell. Winters are here and as much as I love the change in weather, my skin doesn't really appreciate it. It becomes dull, it becomes dry, lacks luster, and lately I've also been facing a bout of hormonal acne. Now it's very important that we adjust our skincare according to the changes in weather, and in this video I will be telling you my updated skincare routine, the skincare gems that are helping me get my lost luster back. They all are highly recommended from my side and I'm super excited to share these gems with you. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first step of every and any skincare regimen should be cleansing. Good skin starts with a clean skin, and currently the product that I'm using to keep my skin clean is this Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Cleansing Water with vitamin C infused in it. I love all the micellar waters that Garnier has to offer, but currently I am using and sticking to this one because it is specifically meant for dull and sensitive skin. And as I mentioned in the beginning that my skin tends to get a little dull around this time, so this is the product that I use. I just take a few drops of this on a clean cotton pad and then wipe across all my face, and it actually extracts a lot of dirt and grime from my face, leaving it very clean and very glowy. After the skin cleansing is done, I use the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence on my face, and the method to use it is very easy. You just take a few drops in your hands, then you pat it all across your face and just make sure that your skin really absorbs it. And this is the right and the only method to apply this product. You're not supposed to use a cotton or anything like that. I love this product so much that I have a fully detailed YouTube video on this. So yeah, if you want to know more about it, do watch it. Now step number 3 and the most important step for my skincare regimen is rational moisturization. Now if you're wondering why am I saying rational moisturization, it's because I feel that a lot of us just apply the product without investigating into the ingredients or without finding out how our skin is going to react to it or whether it will help our skin or not. And therefore I am saying that it's important to find out the right moisturizer for your skin which helps it in every way. And I feel extremely happy to have found the product which has lately become my skin's best friend, and the product that I'm talking about is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream. Although this is a newer addition to my vanity, but I have been using it left, right and center because my skin absolutely loves it, and I want to tell you what is there in this cream that makes my skin love it so much. As I mentioned in the beginning that my skin is going through a lot of turbulences because of the hormonal fluctuation that's going on in my body. A lot of sebum production, blackheads and whiteheads everywhere, then random acne explosions here and there. So yeah, my skin is just going through a lot. So when I was looking for a new moisturizer that could fit in my new skin condition, I wanted a product that should have a good concentration of salicylic acid because I knew for sure that this is the only ingredient that could save my skin. And in that hunt I found out that this L'Oreal Paris Crystal Gel Cream actually has the highest concentration of salicylic acid than any other cream in the market. Good question, folks. Why so much buzz around salicylic acid? So let me break it down for you. Salicylic acid is a great exfoliator. It makes sure that the dead skin is being removed on timely basis so that the new cells can be generated and your skin stays healthy and glowing. Salicylic acid is great for pore refinement. When we apply salicylic acid, it penetrates deep inside the pore, it unclogs them, it cleanses them, and at the same time it tries to shrink the size of it and thereby reducing the appearance of blackheads and whiteheads on our face. Salicylic acid helps a great deal in reducing sebum production. As I mentioned in the last point, that salicylic acid helps in minimizing the pore size, which further helps in reduction of sebum production and less oil on the face, which means lesser breakouts and clearer skin. Obviously, with all the benefits that I just mentioned, salicylic acid makes sure that you get a crystal clear skin with continuous usage. So it is hence proof that salicylic acid is the magical ingredient, and when I got my hands on the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Gel Cream, I was super excited for not one but two reasons. Number one, of course, that this has such high concentration of salicylic acid, and number two, that this is in addition to the already popular, tried and tested L'Oreal Paris Crystal Essence range. So I was very confident when I started using it. I was very confident that my skin is going to love it. Now this is a gel cream which has a water-based oil-free formula. Now the benefit of this formula is that when you apply it on your skin, it actually locks in all the moisture, but at the same time makes sure that your skin doesn't feel overwhelmed or overburdened. So I take a reasonable amount of this product on my fingers and I just apply like small dots of it all over my face, and then I lightly massage it. I mean, you don't have to massage rigorously, but just very lightly so that your skin can easily absorb it. And trust me guys, just after you're done applying the product, you will see that instant glow on your face, the glow that I absolutely love. Another really good feature about this cream is that it has a very lightweight formula. So when you apply it on your skin, it doesn't feel overwhelmed or oily or greasy or anything like that. And I think it has so many benefits. That's the reason why somebody like Dr. Ophelia has validated it and recommended it. And trust me guys, especially if you are an oily or a combination skin person, your face is going to love this. Step number 4 is under eye cream application. Just like you do not apply your body moisturizer on your face, similarly you do not apply your face cream on the contours of your eyes. And the product that I use for my under eyes is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle Plus Firming Eye Cream. I have been using this cream since the past 2 years without fail. I have recommended it to a lot of people and it is a beautiful product. All you have to do is just take really tiny amount of it, put it under both your eyes, and using your ring finger just lightly massage it. You don't have to pressurize it a lot, just lightly massage it and your under eyes are hydrated. No skincare is complete unless you take care of your lips, and I have been using this Laneige lip sleeping mask ever since I read that Vlada MUA, who's a very popular lip artist, swears by this product. And I do tend to get a little generous with lip balms because my lips are on the drier end, so I apply a good amount of it on my lips, and trust me guys, this product is a true gem for your lips. So this was my 5-step skincare routine that I absolutely swear by. All the products that I have mentioned in this video are tried and tested and trusted by my skin, and therefore all of them are highly recommended. Do try out this skincare routine and do tell me how your experience is going on with this. I will definitely come back again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care and lots of love.